I just got some new coffee bags and old ones also. And I thought I would show you how I clean these before I make bags and baskets out of them. I sometimes get hundreds of coffee bags from someone who has been collecting them for years, maybe 25 years even, and then they have decided not to use them because they have thought that they might want to make some bags or something out of them, but then they have decided not to and they want to get rid of all the coffee bags. And of course, after they have been collecting them for years, they want someone to make something out of them and not just throw them away. This time I got a few hundred coffee bags. I think this is maybe less than 1,000, but I haven't counted them. I already started cleaning some of them, but I still have hundreds left to clean. Usually when I get the coffee bags, they have been stacked like this, so it's easy to store them. But some people just throw the coffee bags in a plastic bag or something and then hand them over. Usually the coffee bags are not cleaned or opened, so it's still closed in the bottom here. So that's the first thing that I do. I open the coffee bags and there usually is quite a lot of coffee left in the coffee bags. For the techniques that I use for weaving, I leave the back seam of the coffee bag closed but open the bottom and the top seams, and also remove all the stickers if there are any left. Then when I have opened all the coffee bags, I wash them. I use a bucket and I fill it up with warm water, not too warm. Then add some dishwashing soap to get rid of the coffee grease. Then I take a stack of coffee bags and wash them once in the water with the soap, and then second time I rinse them with clean water. That's usually clean enough for me, but if you want, you can obviously rinse them more than once. After washing, I dry the coffee bags in my sauna. I just open them a little bit so they dry easily and then leave them to dry for a few hours. I usually wash maybe 100 coffee bags at the same time so that I have enough space in my sauna to then dry the coffee bags. Then after drying, I sort them so that I have the same coffee bag in the same pile and then store them. Then I can use the tote bags that I weave to store the coffee bags for the next projects. These coffee bags that I now got from my mom, and she got them from a friend, are from 25 years ago or more. It's always fun to find these old coffee bags. Like this is from 97, so quite old. This one is 25 years old and this one 24. So someone has really been planning a long time to make something. But I think that coffee brands in Finland started making these colorful coffee bags in the 90s. So maybe these are the oldest ones that you could find. Then sometimes I get maybe 5 or 10 coffee bags from a friend who hasn't been collecting them for years. Those ones I usually just rinse under running water to make the cleaning fast and easy. But when it's this many coffee bags, it would take a long time to wash them one by one. If you have a way of cleaning coffee bags that's easier and faster than this, then please let me know so I can also try that. I think these coffee bags will keep me busy for a while now.